My car was smashed. Can it be fixed? Don't worry, let me have a look. First, let's see what's going wrong. The car body is badly damaged. Please fix it first. There's a dent on the car. Let's fix it. First, remove the items with a plier. Then, suck the dent out. Put on a proper steel plate. Then spray the steel plate with paint. Wow! The car is as good as a new one. Great job! There are a lot of trash in the car. Let's clean it up. Trash should be thrown in the waste bin. Vacuum the paper scraps. The air conditioner is so dirty. Let's wipe it clean. Place pretty decorations in the car. We are done with cleaning up. It looks great! The car is running out of gas. Let's fill up the tank. First, unscrew the cap. Insert the oil gun and fuel the car. The tank is filled up. Let's screw the cap. Great! It's all repaired. Last, let's decorate the car. My favorite car is fixed. Thank you so much. Be aware to stop at red light and go at green. Take it easy when the yellow light is on.